Okay, we're back here on the left elevation, or on the rear elevation. We're gonna try the same exact thing, repairability attempt. We're gonna aim for this shingle. Currently, there's no tears, there's no nothing else on it. I don't even see hardly any granule loss. But we're gonna go for these two right here. We'll start on this one, and after it. Good God. Okay. So I'm not going to be able to show from here over because this is a secondary shingle in here. I can pull that up, but I don't want to since we're not replacing the shingle today. Okay. Go ahead and take a look at this. Back this out. So we have transfer, damaged shingle, material transfer from top to bottom. Material transfer top to bottom, and then over into here, material transfer top to bottom. All right, I'm gonna try second shingle. First shingle disqualified. Exclude that from the video, my bad. All right, so essentially we're gonna do the same thing that we just did because this has an additional shingle right here as a starter. I don't want to peel that up. No matting transfer there. Matting transfer here. Let's see if I can get zoomed in. Matting transfer right here from top shingle to bottom. Matting transfer from bottom shingle to top. See fiberglass going through there. Matting transfer from top to bottom, matting transfer from bottom to top, and vice versa right there. These two shingles failed repairability. This is on the rear elevation. Just chipping here for reference. That'll conclude the repairability video. The right, left, and rear elevations non-repairable. Thank you.